Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video we will discuss how to set up TP-Link RE715X AX3000 TP-Link RE715X AX3000 mesh Wi-Fi using the WPS push button. This is the easiest method to set up the TP-Link extender within 2 minutes without any username or password. If you're looking for the best extender that gives you the perfect Wi-Fi range coverage, then this video is specially made up for you. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. In the first step, take the TP-Link RE715X extender out of the box. Plug it into a power outlet close to your main Wi-Fi router. Wait for about 30 to 60 seconds until the power LED becomes solid. The extender will finish booting and be ready for setup. Tip: during setup, always keep the extender in the same room as the router. Look at your Wi-Fi router and find the WPS button. It is usually labeled WPS or has a 2 circular arrows icon. The button may be located on the front, side, or back of the router depending on the router model. Press the WPS button on your router. After pressing it, the WPS indicator light on the router will start blinking. This means the router is ready to connect to new devices. You usually have about 2 minutes to connect the extender after pressing the router's WPS button. Within 2 minutes, go to the extender. Press the WPS button on the RE715X Extender. The WPS LED or signal light will start blinking. The extender will now automatically try to connect to your router. The connection process may take 1 to 2 minutes. During this time, the LED lights will blink while the devices communicate. When the setup is successful, the signal LED turns solid. The extender is now connected to your router. Once the connection is completed, unplug the extender from the current outlet. Move it to a location between the router and the weak Wi-Fi area. Look for the extender's Wi-Fi network name. Usually it appears as your Wi-Fi name _ext. Enter the same Wi-Fi password as your router. Tap Connect. Now the setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.